What? There is no such thing as the do-it-yourselfer. It's just an urban legend.
No, I'm serious. It got my cousin. She ended up fixing everything in her house for like a fraction of the cost.
What? No, she did not.
I'm serious.
There are 3 signs that someone is being controlled by the do-it-yourselfer. Number 1, they know things after watching a lot of tutorial videos. Number 2, they're very sensitive to overpriced big box stores. And number 3, they have extra money for literally anything else.
What does the do-it-yourselfer want?
What does the do-it-yourselfer want? No one knows for sure. Some say it's to cut your spending. Others say it's to inflict a sense of accomplishment.
Well, how do you get rid of it?
There's only one place you go to satisfy the do-it-yourselfer.
Value for the do-it-yourselfer.